This hazelnut raspberry cocoa buckle has a moist and tender chocolate raspberry bourbon crumb inside a buttery hazelnut crunch and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. The hazelnut streusel and chocolate raspberry cake batter are made separately. In a small bowl, mix 10 grams chopped hazelnuts with 10 grams brown sugar, 10 grams flour, and 10 grams cold butter until crumbly. In another bowl, use a fork to mash 35 grams raspberries with 20 grams melted butter, 15 grams brown sugar, 5 grams bourbon, and an egg yolk. Fold in 25 grams flour, an eighth of a teaspoon cinnamon, 3 grams cocoa, an eighth of a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Spread the batter evenly into a buttered skillet, cover the top with hazelnut streusel, and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 minutes. The hazelnut raspberry buckle is done when the toothpick test comes out clean. Let the buckle cool for at least 10 minutes before unmolding and serve with a scoop of ice cream.